Greetings and welcome to the latest episode of Preserved 80s. Today, I went to Jersey Mike's. Now, one of the things I noticed on their menu is that there's a wide variety of different sandwiches you can get. It seems that there's something for everybody, whether you're a cowboy who likes to smoke cigars and drive cars, if you're a conscious type person, if you're a dirty, dishonest person, even if you have 2 psychiatrist appointments in one day or something to that nature, they'll have what you want. Unless the menu is limited, which it was at my location. A lot of the stuff that was on the printout menu was not actually available there. Also had a very rude worker I was dealing with. Maybe that's a theme there, because they had beverages called stubborn soda. But after dealing with the kind of unpleasant staff, I figured I would just come home and stick to my nice cooperative ginger ale, which was waiting at home for me. I didn't need any more stubbornness in my life, and also didn't have to pay anything extra for this. Did a few different things. These chocolate chip cookies that they have, along with sugar cookies. Looked like they had about 10 dozen of them there. Don't know for sure. Baked Lays. Just about the only thing that is better baked than fries would be Lay's potato chips. Got a brownie. Hopefully it won't be too dry or hard. Sometimes I sit out on that counter for a while. We got a couple of different subs. There is a Philadelphia cheesesteak style one, of course with no cheese. And then there is their classic Italian also with no cheese. Here is the Italian. And the Philadelphia style steak. Did not realize I just sent that shaved steak down to the table. So I guess we'll start out with this because I don't want it to get cold. Well, I have no desire to stick around and conversate with the people who made the sandwich. It tastes pretty good. So let's now sample the Italian. Not bad. Bread is decent. Better than Subway. Not as good as DeBella. The pepperoni, salami, ham. Thought it said in the menu there be prosciutto. Don't see any of that in there. I was also going to ask for bacon, but I forgot to do that. I think I would have had to pay more, but that's just speculation. And the Lay's chips. Already know I'm getting a good product here. you ever want to make a half-assed apology that goes beyond just Facebook or some social media site, try sending a Jersey Mike's cookie. Pretty good. They're not home baked, but they're good. They are. I'm not sure if these are David's cookies or not. I know that they have David's cookies there, but these smaller ones, I'm not sure if there's a Jersey Mike's brand or if they are in fact David's cookies. The brownie has a Jersey Mike's label on it. Let's give the sugar cookie a try. Pretty standard. Oh, the chocolate chip one was a bit better. That one was a bit crumbly. And finally have this brownie here. The brownie's a bit soggy. The brownie is a bit soggy, but other than that, it's not too bad. So on the whole, I would say that Jersey Mike's a decent place to get a sub, some snacks and desserts, things like that. But it's not a place I would go to for the atmosphere. But since you're not stuck eating there, you can take your food out and bring it somewhere else. You don't really have to put up with too much of that. So, if I had to do this again, I guess I would. And that's really all there is to say for this episode, so I'll bid you farewell.